So the Roots Connected workshops have been so helpful for me in really thinking about developmentally appropriate ways to talk to my kids about, the various things they're learning at school and, some of the pressing social issues that are going on in our world that they themselves have a responsibility to contribute to. And I think there are a lot of parents out there who are seeing what's going on in the world, and they're looking for ways to talk to their kids about it, to encourage their kids to be, contributing to the betterment of the world in really concrete ways. And I think, we all want that for our kids, but sometimes we lack the appropriate language. We don't know how to have those conversations with our kids. We don't know how to get them to kind of think about the things that we as adults are thinking about, but again, in ways that match their age, that match what they're learning in school, that match, their developmental growth. And so I think the workshops really help parents bring their vision, what they want for their kids, to life, to give them tools to kind of guide them and help them really develop these capacities within their children that are so necessary if we're going to raise kids who are going to provide and initiate meaningful change in the world and really work towards justice.